cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky, I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy, cause that be natural.
the
I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky, cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo stuck in these beans like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm still on top.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs. And today for this video, I'm going to show you what I do for my hair when the style doesn't quite turn out the way I expected it to. This is a go-to hairstyle that I usually use until I'm ready to restyle my hair altogether. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I'm up to, then please continue watching. Now we're starting off with a wash and go. This is an old wash and go that I feel like it doesn't really look the way that I want it to look. I have stretched this style. I have used my bonnet hair dryer to try to get a no crunch or crunch free wash and go. So I've experienced a lot of heat to this particular hairstyle and to my hair, so it's a bit dried out looking. So I'm just starting off with some warm water and just dampening the hair just to add a little bit of moisture. And then I'm following up with this Cantu Shea Butter Coconut Curling Cream. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the Blue Magic Originals to my edges and throughout the hair just to seal in that moisture. And then I'm going to take this boar bristle brush and just brush up the perimeter of my head because I do plan on putting this hair into a puff. So that's what I'll be doing in the upcoming clips, is just showing you how I basically do that. And this basically works for any hairstyle, whether it's a twist out, braid out, flat twist out, whatever style that you feel like didn't come out right. Even on roller sets, you can always revert back to a high puff. So that's what we're doing in this video, just to give us a look, especially when we don't have time to restyle our entire head, do a whole wash day process. So yeah, I have an elastic, I think this is a stocking that I'm using, just something quick that I found. I do have some laces, and elastics, anything that you can use to pull up your hair that won't stress out your edges too much. You can use bands, you can use laces, and then I just pin the well, in this case, the stocking up just for added security. I'm just adding some hairpins, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to shape this puff a little bit by picking it out and trying to round it off. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to work on my edges. And I did want to mention that I did use some Eco Style professional styling gel for the perimeter of my head as well, just to slick up the actual hair. And yeah, that's what we're doing in these upcoming clips. And you can do your puff whatever way you want. You can leave it wild, you can round it off, you can make it taller by adding two puffs and combining them into one. But whatever way that you want your puff to look. But right now I'm just going for the basics just to get through the next couple of days. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this is about it on the final look. So I do want to thank you all for stopping by today. I really appreciate your time and energy. I look forward to seeing you all on the next video. Peace and love. And as always, be blessed.
DJ Mike C on the
I'm
track.
cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy. Cause that be natural.
the
I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fat, boo, I'm so natural. It's like